Begin by finding a comfortable seated position. Allow your spine to gently lengthen, rising tall yet relaxed. Let your shoulders soften. Your jaw unclenches. Your face becomes neutral, peaceful. Place your palms facing upward, a gesture of openness, of receiving. Now gently close your eyes. Take a slow, deep breath in and exhale softly. Again, inhale deeply and release. Let your breath become natural, effortless, like waves moving in and out. You are here, and this moment is enough. Now bring your awareness to a radiant orb of light, floating gently about 12 inches above your head. See it shimmering, sparkling with pure, divine energy. This light holds intelligence, healing, and unconditional love. As you focus on it, it begins to expand, and slowly it pours down into the crown of your head. Feel this light entering your being, moving through your scalp, your brain, your throat, flowing down your spine, every vertebra awakening, every nerve softening. The light continues downward into your pelvis, through your legs, and then deep into the earth beneath you. You are now connected, above and below. Now visualize a large luminous sphere forming around you. It has a soft, soap bubble quality, shimmering with iridescent colors. This sphere surrounds your entire body, protecting, nurturing, amplifying your energy. Inside this sphere, you are safe, aligned, and supported. The column of white light continues to flow through your center, keeping you grounded and elevated at the same time. Now gently bring your awareness inward. Notice if there is any tension, any heaviness, any stagnant emotion. Without judgment, simply observe. And now, allow these energies to begin releasing. See them flowing upward, through the top of your light column, or downward, into the earth. Let them leave your body, effortlessly. With every exhale, you release old thoughts, limiting beliefs, emotional weight. Watch them dissolve into light. You are becoming lighter, clearer, freer. Feel your body becoming lighter, as if gravity no longer holds you. With each inhale, you rise. With each exhale, you expand. you begin to float upward, above your room, above your city, above your country, now rising beyond the earth into a vast space of pure white light. This is the space of infinite potential. Here, there is no limitation, only possibility. Now, bring to mind everything you love, moments of joy, connection, success, peace. Let each memory fill your heart. Feel gratitude. Feel love. Let these emotions expand within you. Your vibrational frequency is rising. You are becoming a magnet for positivity, for abundance, for peace. Take a deep inhale and hold this energy. Lock it into your being. Now gently begin your return, descending slowly back toward earth, back into your body. Feel your connection to the ground, to your root chakra, to your physical presence. You are grounded, stable, safe, and you carry this high vibrational energy within you. Take a deep breath, wiggle your fingers, and when you're ready, slowly open your eyes. Before you go, if this meditation brought you even a moment of peace, take a second to like this video, share it with someone who needs calm energy today, and don't forget to subscribe to Calmify, your space for peace, healing, and positive transformation. Take a deep breath and carry this energy with you.